Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there was a curious little boy named Moff. Moff had a magical garden, filled with enchanting flowers and talking trees. One day, Moff decided to explore his garden, wondering if he could find something new. He wandered through the garden, his eyes wide with wonder. Suddenly, he came across a peculiar flower, unlike any he had ever seen before. It was tall and glowing, with petals that shimmered like stardust. Moff approached it cautiously, not wanting to scare it away. As he reached out to touch the flower, it spoke, "Hello, Moff. I am the star flower. I've been waiting for someone like you to find me." Moff was amazed. He had never met a talking flower before. "Hello, star flower," he said. "Can you tell me about yourself?" The star flower smiled, "Of course. I am a magical flower, sent from the stars to spread kindness and joy. I have a special gift for you, Moff. If you help others, I will grant you 3 wishes." Moff was overjoyed. He knew exactly what he wanted to wish for. "I want to help everyone in my town feel happy and loved," he said. The star flower nodded. "That's a wonderful wish, Moff. From now on, whenever someone in your town feels sad, they will find a small, glowing star that will bring them comfort and happiness." Moff thanked the star flower for her gift and promised to use it wisely. He returned to his home, eager to share the magic with everyone. From that day forward, Moff's town was filled with happiness and love. Every time someone felt sad, a glowing star appeared, reminding them of Moff's magic garden and the star flower's gift. And so, Moff and the star flower lived happily ever after, spreading kindness and joy to all who crossed their path. The end.